Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how we can search the SAP Tcodes. First give the Tcode SE16. Then in the table name enter TSTC. Here say for example we want to search all the Tcodes starting with MM. So give MM and star and click on this execute button. It will display all the SAP Tcodes beginning with MM, and you can see a short description of the Tcode is given over here. If you want to export these SAP Tcodes, click on More, Edit, Download, and choose the format in which you want to export. For example, I want to export in this format, each text format. Give a file name. Save. Now let me open the exported Tcodes and show you. You can see these are the SAP Tcodes which we have exported. You can contact me for installing SAP IDES, ECC6 and SAP S4 HANA on your PC or server or network or cloud, or set up your own SAP server on internet. It will contain the master data, lifetime validity year 9999, a web developer key and FIORI in it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.